most important question of binomial theorem. Let us see the question. Find the middle term in the expansion of 3x minus x cube by 6 power 7. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We have to know the technique formula. What is the number of middle term when power is what? N. So middle term in a plus b to the power n is what? That is n plus 1 by 2th and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So when n is odd, here n is odd. So when n is odd, then number of middle terms will be what? 2. N plus 1 by 2th and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term. So here n is 7, n is odd. So middle term will be what? 7 plus 1 by 2th and 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So we will get what? That is 8 by 2, that is 4th term, and 4th term, and that is 5th term, right? So T4 equal to what? T3 plus 1. So NCR, N is 7, so N7 CR, R is 3. A power what? N minus R, so 7 minus 3 is 4. And B power R, so this is minus S cube by 6 to the power 3. So when we solve this number, we'll get negative. Power is what? Also will get negative. So minus 7C3, 3 power 4 is what? 81, right? And 6 power 3 is what? 260. And you know here x power 4 and here x power 9, right? So this is x to the power 4, here x to the power 9. So 9 plus 4 is what? 13. So we'll get what? X to the power 13. This is our correct answer for T4. In the same way, we will find that is T5, 5th term. So T5 will be what? T4 plus 1. So here again answer is what? NCR. So this is 7C4. And A is what? That is 3x to the power 7 minus 4, 3. And B is what? Minus x cube power 6 and to the power R, that is 4. So here minus power even, so it will be positive. So we'll get what? 7C4, 3 power 3 is what? 27. And 6 power 4 is what? 6 square is what? 36. So 36 into 36 you can find. So 6 6 are 36, 2 6 are 12, 3 are. So 36 square, very simple technique. So 6 square, 36, so 36. 36 square will be what? 6 square is 36, carry 3. And 2 6 are 12, 12 3 are 36, 3 39. And 3 3 are 9 3 12. 1 2 9. See, we can solve this in a tricky way. And multiply, this is the minus positive and this is what? Multiply. So here we are getting x to the power 3 and x to the power 12. So 12 plus 3 is what? 15. So we will get what? X to the power 15. This is our correct answer. Let's see the question. Find the middle term in the expansion 2 by 3x square minus 3 by 2x power 20. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First we have to know that is middle term in a plus b to the power n, where n is what? Even. Here given 20. So our formula is what? N by 2 plus 1th term. So when we will put n equal to 20, so 20 by 2 plus 1th term, we will get what? That is 11th term. So we can find T11. So T11 equal to what? T10 plus 1. So NCR, that is 20, C10. A is what? 2 by 3 x square, power is n minus r, so here 10. And B to the power r, that is minus 3 by 2 x to the power what? R, that is 10. So now we can write 20 C10. Here minus power even, so our answer will be positive. 2 10 times in numerator and 2 10 times in 2, it will be cancel out. and 3 10 times in denominator, here 3 times in numerator, it is also cancelled out. So we'll get x power 20, here x power 10. So in numerator x power 20, so we'll get what? X 10. So this is our correct answer. Let's see the question. Question is find the 11th term from the expansion of 2x minus 1y square by power 25 from the end. So for this type of question, simple technique for first to find number of term from what starting. So we can write rth term from end. Rth term from end equal to what? N plus 2 minus rth term from beginning. That means from starting. So that is rth term from end equal to n plus 2 minus rth term from beginning. So n is what? 25. So 25 plus 2, r is what? 11. And this is the term from starting. So 25 plus 2, that is 27 minus 11. It will give what? That is 7 minus, that is 16th term. So we can find 16th term from starting. So you know T16 is what? T15 plus 1. So our formula is NCR. So N is 25, here R is 15. So 25C 15. NCR. A to the power N minus R, N is 2x. 25 minus 15, you will get what? That is 10. So NCR, AN minus R, B power R. So B is what? That is minus 1 upon x square. And this power is what? 15. So we can, this is the negative. So we can write what? That is minus 1 to the power. So answer will be what? Negative. Because odd number power of negative is what? Minus. And we will get what? That is 25C15. And 2 power 10. So 2 power 10. And multiply x power 10 here and x to the power 15 to the 30. So you will get what? X upon, that is 1 upon x to the power 1 upon x to the power what? 30 minus 10, 20. So this is our correct answer. Minus 25C15 into 2 power 10 multiply 1 upon x to the power 20. We can solve this expansion also, NCR and 2 power 10, you know 1024. So we can find our answer very easily. Let us see the question. Here find the coefficient of x to the power 10 in the binomial expansion of 2x square minus 3 by x to the power 11, where x does not equal to 0. So for this type of question, simple technique is one in any type of the coefficient question. First you find general term and then equate the power of variable, that is x equal to 10. You will get the what? Number value of r, that is the term. So just to see here. So just we are going to find the solution of this equation. So first to find general term of this expansion. So TR plus 1 NCR, so 11CR a to the power n minus r. So 2x square to the power 11 minus r into b to the power r. So minus 3 by x to the power r. So NCR a power n minus r 11 minus r and b power is what? X to b power r. So b is what? Minus 3 by x to the power r. Now you see we can write this 11CR and here 2 to the power 11 minus r into 3 to the power r, right? And here we can write x to the power is what? So x to the power is what? 11 to the 22 minus 2r. And here x to the power r is what? Negative. So we can write what? Minus r and into minus 1 to the power r, right? 11CR 2 power is what? 11 minus r. 3 power is what? R and x power 2. So 11 to the 22 minus 2r. And here in denominator, so here negative. Now we can find very easily, that is 11CR into 2 to the power 11 minus r into 3 power r. And into x power is what? 22 minus 3r. and into minus 1 to the power. We need x to the power 10 coefficient. So just put the value of this power equal to 10. So you will get what? 22 minus 3 are equal to 10. So 3 are equal to what? 22 minus 10. You will get what? 12. So r equal to what? 4. So r is 4. That means number of term is what? Fifth term. So we will find, we put the value of r equal to 4. You will get what? T4 plus 1. So here 11CR, that is 11C4, and multiply 2 to the power 11 minus r. So 11 minus 4 is what? 7. Into 3 to the power r. So 3 power r, that is the 4. And when we put here r to the power 4, so we will get x power 10. So we are neglecting this because we need coefficient to extend. So just forget the x. So, and it is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 4. So we know here our answer will be what? This is 11 factorial, 4 factorial, 7 factorial, 11 minus 4, 7. And you know 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 what? 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. 6 64 and 7 128. So this is what? 128. 3 power 4 is 81. So this is 81. And minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1. So now we can solve this 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. And after that 7, this 7 will be cancelled out with 7. And now it is 4 factorial. So 4, 3, 2. And now this is what? 128 and 81. Now you can cancel very easily. So you can cancel this number. 3 3 are 9 and 2 4 are 8. And now this is 4. So 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8. So you will get direct answer is what? 3 4 are 12 and 3 4 are 12. So 11 2 are 22 and this is 30. So 1320 and multiply 32 into 81. This is your correct answer.